Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, in my case the screen blacked out a little bit too fast, at least for my liking. So to change it we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down a little bit to find display and brightness. Here we have to enter the sleep option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can either pick 15 or 30 seconds, which are relatively short options, or 1 to 5 or 10 minutes. So in order to set the sleep option you have to tap on the one you'd like to use, so I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.